Hey everyone, we're going to give this a try where we hyperlink via Excel for Mac to the same CIA World Factbook that we've been to before. I found a hyperlink which shows up here to web queries in Mac. It's kind of a roundabout way to get there, so let's give it a try. So this is the same World Factbook web page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything before the pound UK, which says, kind of where to start the page. I'm going to select it, right click, copy it, and then I'm going to open the Word document and I'm going to paste special unformatted text. But what's missing from this is it needs a HTTPS, and you won't find this slash colon slash slash. You won't find that in the directions on the web page that I showed you. So now we're going to file, save as. We're going to save it as a text file. Click save. Oops. Go back. We're going to go file, save as. We're going to call it WFB for World Factbook. We're going to put it on the desktop. We'll click and change it to text, plain text. Hit save. It's going to bring up this. This is the correct one, this Western Mac. And click OK. The next thing you're going to need to do is go into your Finder and find what you just opened. And so for me, that should have gone to the desktop. I didn't see it there. Oh, there it is. World Factbook right there. We're going to open, and we're going to use the get info to change the file extension from WTXT to IQY. Then we're going to close, and it should save it. It'll ask me, do I want to keep it as text or IQY? I'm going to use IQY. So now I have this World Factbook here in my desktop. I'm going to go to Excel, open a new workbook, and then I'm not going to use this data that's up here with the ribbon bar. Instead, I'm going to use this data that's up here in the menu bar. I'm going to use get external data, run web query, and then I'm going to go to the desktop, and there's that World Factbook. And look, it looks just like what we saved a second ago in text. Then I'm going to click Get Data. It's going to ask me, where do I want to put the data? Interesting. I could look on properties, and it would tell me all about the query. I'm just going to go ahead and hit yes, and then notice it's getting data, and bam, there we are. We're able to do it. I know that was a lot harder than it was in Windows version of Excel, but at least it's possible. Thanks, everybody.